Dealers, welcome to our second installment of our torture test here on this beautiful day. Today what we're going to do is we're going to do a torture test where we're going to actually pry the doors open using a fixture that actually bolts down the safe so that all the pressure is on the door. Following this torture test, we're going to have you swing right around and we'll start the factory tours. And then after that, we've got lunch. And then whatever your schedule is, you can go from there. But anyway, we welcome you here. What we're going to do is today show the difference between pin bars of traditional competitor safes and how they attach it to a pin bar attachment, usually 11 or 10 gauge, compared to our new military style locking bars. So our Liberty safe, a Colonial, will be the third one that will be pried open. And what we've done is we've actually put together this restraining device that will actually hold the safes, we'll actually bolt them down, and then we have a pull gauge that actually tells us how much pressure, how much poundage pull it is required to, guess what? Pull the door open. So what we're going to do is we're going to start with competitor 1, then we have competitor 2, and then we're going to do our Colonial. So they're all, this one here is 3-sided bolts, 1 hour fire rated safe. The next one is a 4-sided bolts, and it's a 1 hour fire rated safe. And then we have our Liberty safe, which is our Colonial with the military style locking bars. It's also a 1 hour rated safe. So with that, let's get going.
So if you want to go over in the shade, you'll be able to see it all live on the TV. So if you're on this side, you're not going to be able to see much. So if you can't get over here, it's better to go over there and watch it on the TV.
Okay, so you'll notice on the gauge, every number represents 1,000 pounds worth of pull. So today, what we're going to do is set it up for a 12,000 pound pull. So our goal is to get to 12,000 pounds on each one of these safes. Let's see how they fare. Are you ready?
Ready.
All right.
I'm just going to hide behind you.
I'll take the blow.
All right.
We're not expecting stuff to go flying off.
Yeah. So Brent, are we safe this close?
Yeah.
All right. We don't have any dynamite in there. All right. That's good. Yeah, our motto is safety first. If I hand something anybody's way. Everybody. All right, Jonathan, go ahead and let it start going. Okay, that's at 1,000, 2,000, 3,000, 4, 5, 6. It is already open.
That's all I get.
It's down, back down to 2,000. So it reached 6,000. And it's open. So 6,000 pounds worth of pressure. Is that what you had on the camera? What was it? Oh, okay. All right, so the tag line is 6,900 pounds to pull that competitor 1 open.
We're going to move this out now. We'll load the others so you guys can look at it off to the side. Get the works did.
Oh, you do that.
No, it's a skip shot. Looks like a word.
Okay. You're going to reset it.
This is just to show you where
All right, so on safe number 1, on competitor number 1, it went to 6,900 pounds. So here is safe number 2. Let's see how it performs. Go ahead, Jonathan. Yeah, we reset it.
That's a plate door. What's the scale reading, Jamie?
Scale has read. Looks like it hit 9,100 pounds. Safe number 2, 9,100 pounds. The other one was 69.
69.
1 inch lock. Yeah, these are inch and a quarter.
No, I'm not worried about that. We're doing it.
Yep. I'm gonna call it.
Getting ready to get going on this one.
Is everybody ready?
Ready.
Yeah.
Okay. We're going to hit a maximum pressure of, let's start with 10,000. How's that sound? We'll at least hit 9,100. Make sure it's as good as the last stage. Go ahead, Jonathan. Here we go.
All right, 2,000, 3,000, 4,000, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11.
11. Whoa, 12, 12.
It's 12,000.
We've hit, oh, there's 12, there's 13.
13,000.
Woo! All right, should we stop it?
No!
No?
Rip it off!
Let's try 13, 14. Woo!
And that door is still not open.
Man alive. I said I was going to go to 12.
You don't want us to know, do you?
I don't want you to know, really, yeah. All right, Jonathan, give me a little more pressure. Whoa, there's 15. Liberty safe. Liberty safe.
Number 1.
Twice what number, safe number 1. And at least, what, 50% more than safe number 2. Liberty safe. Test number 3 should have been number 1. So let me tell you, this Colonial safe is one top safe. And we hope that you'll sell the living dickens out of them. So have a great time. Thank you so much. Nothing like liberty.